Tasty food is about eternal bliss, isn't it? But we don't always have the opportunity to eat both healthy and delicious. Here's the solution to it. SunnySide, the most sophisticated lunchbox ever, in any color you wish. SunnySide works with 12-volt solar panels, which will charge 500 milliamps in 1 hour. The innovative heating tin inserted in the lunchbox will heat your meal as much as you prefer. Similarly, through the radiator and cooling fan, you can keep cool and fresh certain types of food. Also, you can use the SunnySide app for different recipes. Look at how much space it has. You can put in cucumber, rice, and anything you want in a single box. Also, SunnySide is easy to charge. And that's not all. It'll also charge your devices when needed. Want to impress your friends? Offer them your charging lunchbox, which is, by the way, eco-friendly and gets its energy through the solar panel. Use your phone to heat your meal. Yes, you heard it right. And with just clicking one button, heat food straight in your lunchbox. From now on, you can forget about harmful microwaves. It's hot outside, and you worry about food spoilage. Let me offer you to turn on the cooling system of SunnySide via your phone app and relax. Also, don't worry about your phone's low battery. SunnySide will share its energy with you. Connect it with the USB connector, and that's it. To make SunnySide exemplary in the market, a group of professionals conducted thorough research to understand all the features majority dreamed of. As a result, we made a lunchbox with both heating and cooling systems inserted, and as promised, with solar panels. Breathe the fresh air. Open your SunnySide. Take your healthy food out. Eat, look around, and enjoy the moment. And by the way, don't worry about leaking. Sounds perfect, right?